I have a public service announcement for the Smart Woodshop fam. I just found out that TSO is having a 10% store-wide sale. So no code, this isn't just for the Smart Woodshop fam, it's for anybody who goes to their site. I'll put a link to that in the description of this video down below. But everything on the site, so the TSO products, the parallel guides, their new smaller square. In fact, this one I understand is in high demand and actually might be sold out. So hopefully you can get this as well. And they also, in addition to TSO, oh, hey, let's don't forget something I'm very proud of. David Reisinger's designed the power locks. Use these to death. I have 20 of these and I use them all when the full shop is set up. They also carry full line of tools from UGK. And that includes the PARF tools, the PARF Guide Mark II. And this is one of those tools that if you're into the Smart Woodshop, this is a must-have. They also carry the micro jig stuff. And I'm just experimenting with this. I'm gonna let you know what I think here in another video after I have a little more time to work with these. But they carry the gripper, micro jigs, I think the whole series of tools. And another tool that I don't have an example of is the Bora tools. That's that centipede support system. It collapses down, it pulls out real easy and can be like support legs for a bench and different things like that. One other really cool tool that TSO has is the Smart Workbench plan. So you can get those from them as well. Sounds like TSO is adding to their line, which is great. And here's the big perk on this sale. Not only 10% off, but if you live in the lower 48 and you spend $49 or more, you don't have to pay for shipping. So anyway, link in the description down below. You don't need a discount code. This is just something that I found out about and wanted to pass it on. I didn't want you to miss out on it. It's good for President's Day. So it's starting right now from when you see this video. In fact, it started before because I just found out about it and ran out to make this video till Monday, President's Day. So you got about 3 days to take advantage of this President's Day sale. Mahalo for hanging out with me in the Smart Woodshop. You stay safe and have a great day.